Hi guys, managing a data lake is pretty challenging. We have to bring in the data from multiple sources, be it a database, be it a file system, be it the streaming data. To bring in all the data together into the data lake involves multiple processes. You have to extract the data from the source, you have to modify that data, and then you have to move the data into the target systems. Now with multiple cloud platforms, say AWS, say GCP, the data resides in multiple places. And to bring all this data together involves multiple steps. Like you have to create a script which will bring in the data from AWS and move it to GCP. Or you want to create a script to bring in the data from on-premise servers and move it to the GCP data lake. However, managing those scripts becomes very challenging as the number of sources grows. To overcome this issue, we have a tool in place which does this thing for us. So the tool called Apache NiFi, it helps us writing a connector, or I would say a flow. We can create this flow. We can create this flow as per our requirement that we want to read the data from a source called Google Cloud Storage. I want to validate that data. I then want to write it into the AWS data platform, or vice versa is also possible. So NiFi provides us capability to read the data from multiple sources, move it into the multiple sources, and in between, if you want to do some transformation, you want to do some processing on the data set, it is also possible. So this is an introductory video to the Apache NiFi, where we are going to discuss about Apache NiFi in depth. We are going to create such flows which can be reusable by multiple teams and which can be managed in a version control system as well. You just have to configure your flow accordingly. Like you just want to pass a file location from where we have to pick in the data. You just want to specify how do you want to validate your data set. With minimum configuration, you are just able to reuse the same flow, which we call as a template, and build your own data flow system